Hello and welcome to Bingo Food Book with me Pooja Shah. Today I am up with a special variety of khakhra that can be enjoyed as is or just with a dash of ghee. So let's look at the ingredients first. Begin with sifting 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt and a teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Now for binding the dough, I have mixed 1/4 cup of buttermilk and 1/4 cup of water. Make sure that the buttermilk is not too sour. Keep adding gradually to the flour and make a medium soft dough out of it. Now add a little oil. Knead it once and then let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cut the dough into equal portions. I am cutting it for a medium-sized khakhra. You can also go for bigger ones. Now at the base, dust some wheat flour and start rolling. On a very low flame, roast it on both the sides but just a little. Now spread some ghee and place it on a khakhra maker to get some fine crispy khakhras. You can also make khakhras on tawi. You can see the khakhra is nicely done. Enjoy it with some koro sambar and a hot cup of tea.